Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be seeing about three important concepts of Atraya Bhadraka PM Adhyaya. We will be mainly talking about Virya, Vipaka and Prabhava. So these three things we will be discussing over here. I hope you have gone through the videos of Rasa and its different combinations with Panchamahabhuta and all. Of course, I hope you have also undergone Rasa Kalpanas. If you are not undergone, I'll just revise it before going to these topics. So Rasakalpanas are totally of 63 in nature. We know that the combination of 6 rasas form 1, then 2 rasas form 15, combination of 4 rasas form 15, combination of 3 rasas form 20, and one of all the taste forms, one of all Shad rasas, 6 combination forms 1. Out of that, 6 independent rasas are Madhura Amla Lavana Katu Tikta Kashaya. This is the first independent individual rasas. After that, in the combination of 15 in Ashtanga also you have seen the same thing. So the first drugs will make 5 combination of two drugs, two dravyas each or two rasas each will form 5 combination, and keep on reducing one by one each. So Amla will form 4 combinations, Lavana will form 3 combination, and Tikta will form 2, and Katu will form 1. Like this, there is total 15 combination when two rasas are mixed together. Okay, Madhura Amla, Madhura Katikta, Madhura Lavana, Madhura Kashaya, Madhura Katu are the 5 combinations, and here Amla Lavana, Amla Tikta, Amla Katu, Amla Kashaya are the 4 combinations. Here Amla Madhura is not taken because that is already covered over here. Okay, like that it keeps on decreasing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so making it 15 combinations. The same way in the manifestation of 3 rasa mixing together to form a kalpana, there are total 20 kalpanas. In this, Madhura itself is forming 10 out of which, and Amla is forming 6 out of which, Lavana is forming 3, and Tikta is forming 1. In this form, there is a total 20 permutation combination of 3 rasa or 3 tastes mixing together. And 4 tastes mixing together, again here also Madhura forms 10 combination, Amlas forms 4 combination, and Lavana will form 1 combination, making it 15 combinations of 4 rasa mixing together. And of course, combination of 5, Madhura will form 5 and Amla will form 1, making it 6 combinations. And all rasa together will form 1 combinations. Like that, there are 57 combinations plus 6 independent rasas, making it 63 kalpanas. Okay, so our rasa kalpana is totally of 63 in nature. So I hope you have already studied this in your Ashtanga Hridaya Rasabhediyam Adhyayam. Just revising it because this is very important in understanding the rasas. Now let's come to our main topic, that is Virya. So Virya also we have seen in Ashtanga how the Viryas have been explained over there, but here they are telling that Shida Viryana Yadravya Maduram Rasapakayo Tayor Amlam Yadushnam Cha Yadravyam Katukam Tayo. So they say that usually the substances which is having Madhura Rasa and Madhura Vipaka, Rasa and Vipaka are Madhura nature, they will be transformed into Shita Virya. And in the same way, Amla as well as Katu Dravyas, which are Rasa and Vipaka are of these Dravyas are Amla and Katu, they will be transformed into Ushna Virya. So this is the two general Viryas what Charaka explains in the beginning of this chapter, saying that Shita Virya is formed by Madhura Rasa and Madhura Vipaka, Ushna Virya is formed by Amla Rasa and Amla Vipaka, and Katu Rasa and Katu Vipaka will form Ushna Virya Dravyas. But there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, Bharat Panchamula and Anupadravyas, Anupamamsas are having Madhura Rasa, Kashaya and Tikta in Rasa, but it is Ushna in Virya. Usually Madhura Kashaya Tikta Rasa should form Shita Virya. Okay? But even though Bharat Panchamula and what is it? Anupa Anupa Jala Mamsas are having Madhura Kashaya Tikta Rasas in general, but they are of Ushna Viryas, not of Shita Viryas. This is an exception, right? The same way, Saintava Lavana, even though it is having being Lavana, and Amlaka, though Amla and Rasa is not having Ushna Virya, rather than they are having Shita Viryas. Whereas Lavana, Amla, and Katu should have formed Ushna Virya, here they are forming Shita Viryas. Arka, Agaru, and Guduji are Tikta in nature, but Ushna Viryas in nature. So there are some exceptions to that of the general rule, but generally Madhura, Kashaya, Tikta should form Shita Virya, Lavana, Amla, and Katu should form Ushna Viryas. So there are variation in actions of substances of the similar rasas can also be seen. Some substances of Amla rasa is Sangrahi, such as Kapitha, while other is Bhedi, such as Amlaka. Okay, even though Amla rasa is there in many dravyas, it should act as a Sangrahi dravya, like what we do see in Kapitha. But there are some things like Amlaka where there is having a Bhedi guna also. The same way, Katu rasa is avrishya in nature, but Pippali and Shundi is vrishya in nature. Even though it is having Katu rasa. And Kashaya rasa is Tambana in nature, but and Shida Virya in nature, but Haritaki is exception to it. It is not Stambana, rather than it is laxity and Ushna Virya Dravya. Hence, on the basis of rasa, one cannot perceive all the substances when even the substance of similar rasa difference in property are observed in the individual cases. We have the general rule, but that is not true for all the rasas. There may be some exceptions. We have to keep that exceptions in mind while we are selecting the rasa for our treatment. And another important thing is relation between rasa and guna. So, Ruksha guna, the rukshatva in different trivia, like how rasa, which all rasa can cause rukshatva. Kashaya comes the highest degree, Katu is the medium, and Tikta is the lowest. This same thing has been told in Ashtanga also, same thing we have seen over there. So Kashaya rasa dravyas will be highest in Rukshata, Katu will be medium Ruksha, and Tikta will be lowest Ruksha dravya. Ushnata, Lavana will comes in the top in doing Ushnata, Amla is in the middle, and Katu in the bottom. Means Katu dravya also cause Ushnata, but less in comparison to Lavana. Snigdhatva, Madhura is the highest, Amla is the middle, and Lavana is the lowest in causing Snigdhata. Shitatva, Madhura, Kashaya, and Tikta comes in that order of succession. Gurutva, Madhura, Kashaya, and Lavana comes in the order of succession. Laghutva, Tikta, Katu, and Amla comes in the successive order. Here, some people says that Lavana should also be added to it. Lavana is more Laghu than that of Amla. So some takes Lavana as inferior one in the category of Lagutha Rasa. Thus, Lavana is placed in the lowest order of considering both Gurutva and Lagutva. So it is something that is the lowest in Gurutva, it is something that is kept in lowest in the Lagutva category also. The next concept among this what we have to discuss is about Vipaka. Katu Tikta Kashayana Vipakam Prayashaha Katu Amlo Amlam Pache Swad Maduram Lavanastataha. So here they are telling about the Vipaka Katu Tikta Kashayana. All these three rasas of Katu, Tikta, and Kashaya that can form Prayashaha Katu. Normally it should have a Katu Vipaka, and Amlo Amlam. Amla rasa should have Amla Vipaka. Pachyate Swadu Madhuram Lavanastataha. Swadu and Lavana will have Madhura Vipaka. Okay, both Madhura will have Madhura Vipaka and Lavana will also have Madhura Vipaka. And the general rule how it causes in our body is that Madhura Lavana Amlo cha Snigdha Bhava Tatrayo Rasaha Vata Mutra Purushanam Prayu Moksham Sukham Mataha. So these three drugs or these three rasas of Madhura, Lavana, and Amla are having Snigdha Bhava in them or anxiousness in them. Hence, that will cause Vata, Mutra, Purushanam, Prayo, Moksham, Sukhamataha. It will easily expel the Vata, Mutra, and Purusha from the body. Okay, that is the general rule of Madhura, Lavana, and Amla rasas. and vipakas. Whereas Katutikta Kashayastu Ruksha Bhavam Trayorasaha Sukha Dukkham Mokshe Drishyante Vada Vinmutra Retasam. So this is exactly opposite to that. It will have Dukkha Moksha, or movement will be its constipative or obstructive in movement of Vata Vinmutra Retasam, which all Katutikta Kashaya Rasa and Vipaka. This is a general rule what is being seen in the what is it in the existence. And how the action of Vipaka is that Shukram Bandha Vinmutram Vipako Vatalam Katuhu. The action of Katu is that it does the Shukra Baddha Vinmutra Vipako Vatalam Kaho. It will do the obstruction of Shukra and Vitmutra. All these things is obstructed and causes Vatala or increases Vata is called as Katu Vipaka. Whereas Madhura is Sansrishta Vinmutra Vipakam Kapha Shukralam. It increases Kapha and Shukra and it also expels Vinmutra. Okay, so this is the quality of Madhura Vipaka. Piktakrit Srishta Vinmutram Pako Amalam Shukra Nasanam. So Amala Vipaka is something that is Piktakrit, increases Pitta, Srishta Vinmutradam, it expels the Vinmutra, and Shukra Nasanam, it causes trouble to or causes damage to Shukra and Shukra Nasana. Okay. Tesham Guruhu Syan Madhuram Katu Amla Ravanotta Nyatha. So these among them Madhura Vipaka is Guru in nature. Okay. And others too, like Amla and Katu, are comparatively Lighu to that of Madhura Vipaka. So Madhura is the Guru, then Amla, then Katu. In that order it will form. Now coming to the Virya Lakshana, how the Virya will act. Mrudu Tikshna Guru Laghu Snigdha Rukshoshna Shitalam Viryam Ashtavidam Kechit. These are the 8 types of Virya what Charaka has accepted. Mrudu Tikshna Guru Laghu Snigdha Ruksha Ushna Shitalam Viryam Ashtavidam Kechit. Vidhyamasti शीतोष्णमिदं वीर्यं तु क्रियते येन या क्रियः न वीर्यं कुरुते किंचित् सर्वं वीर्यं कृतं क्रियः. So these are the 8 types of virya, but some people are of opinion that there are only 2 types, Shita and Ushnamitam. So it is of the opinion of some other people. But whatever it is, the virya is something that viryam to kriyate yena ya kriyaha. Viryam is something that is actually doing the action, and na viryam kurade kinchit sarvam viryam kriyate kriyaha. Without virya, nothing can happen. No action can happen without virya. All the actions are performed only by one entity, that is called as virya. This is the lakshana of virya. Now, assessment of rasa, vipaka and virya in some substances is like raso nipate dravyanam. Rasa is something that is perceived when we keep in our mouth or when it comes into contact with our body. Vipakanam karma nirdishta or karma nishtaya. When it does the action, we understand the vipaka of it. Viryam yadha vidam sannipatascha uplabhyate. When virya is there, it is a combination of all these or compared effect of all these things is called as virya, and we observe like when everything happens. Okay, so or vipaka is perceived by a final effect on the body, and virya is the comprehended by the action of extended during the period of administration till the excretion of the drug or till it move out of the body. This is called as the assessment of how we will assess whether which rasa, which vipaka, and which virya is there in the drug. Now, next concept is about Prabhava Lakshanam. Rasa Virya Vipakanam Samanyam Yatra Lakshade Vishesha Karmancha Eva Prabhavasya Sasmritaha. So, what exclusive action is being done, not following the general lines of all these things, that exclusive action is called as Prabhava. In case where in spite of similarity in rasa, virya and vipaka, there are difference in action. This difference is called as prabhava. Most of the example you have already studied last year, just like Chitraka to that of Dandi, where Dandi is purgative, Chitraka is not. The action of Visha in curing Visha or Visha when Visha Harana is done, that is by its prabhava. Then Vamana and Anulomana is done with Prabhava of the Dravya. Viram of Mani Ratna etc. on the body is the Prabhava is acting on it. Then some drug, and Charaka says that some drug that by the means of rasa, while others by virya and others by guna, prabhava, or whatever it is. In case of equality of strength, vipaka will subside the rasa, virya will subside both vipaka and rasa, prabhava will subside all these three. This is the natural relative degree of strength. Okay. So with this, I hope you understood this concept. It is just a revision of what is we have studied in the Ashtanga, bit more elaborately. Please go through these slides, and in case of any doubts, we will discuss it in our interactive classes. Thank you. Thank you very much.